Running a small or medium-sized business, or SMB, is like navigating a ship across a vast ocean. It can be exhilarating, challenging, and sometimes downright terrifying. You face unpredictable weather, shifting tides, and the constant need for course correction. The rewards are great for those who reach their destination, but the journey requires careful planning, a skilled crew, and a captain who can anticipate challenges and adapt to changing conditions. Being an entrepreneur is not for the faint of heart. You need resilience, resourcefulness, and the ability to weather any storm. In this essay, we'll examine the challenges faced by SMBs in today's turbulent business environment. We'll delve deeper, exploring the hidden threats that often lurk beneath the surface. By understanding these challenges, you can chart a course for success and ensure your business thrives. Ask any SMB owner about their biggest hurdles, and you'll likely hear a familiar refrain: rising costs, talent acquisition and retention, increasing competition, and the ever-present pressure to innovate. The digital age has brought its own set of challenges, including cybersecurity threats, data privacy concerns, and the need to adapt to rapidly evolving technology. These challenges are very real and demand attention. However, I've learned from experience that focusing solely on these issues can lead to a reactive approach. It's like addressing the symptoms without understanding the underlying disease. Consider rising costs. This is often a symptom of deeper issues: inefficient operations, poor inventory management, or a failure to control overhead. Similarly, talent retention problems might indicate a lack of growth opportunities, inadequate compensation and benefits, or a toxic work environment. When you treat the symptom without addressing the root cause, you're putting a bandage on a wound that needs stitches. You might experience temporary relief, but the problem will resurface, often with greater intensity. Section 4. The allure of quick fixes. Faced with these challenges, many small and medium business owners seek quick fixes. They invest in the latest marketing automation tools, chase after funding rounds, or jump on the bandwagon of every new business trend. While these solutions can offer temporary benefits, they often distract from the real issues at hand. Marketing automation won't help if you don't understand your target audience. Funding won't solve deeper problems within your business model. And chasing trends without a clear strategy is a recipe for disaster. Section 5. Hidden reefs, threats below the surface. Beyond the obvious challenges, there are hidden threats that can sink even the most promising small and medium business. These are often less visible, but equally dangerous. One such threat is cash flow mismanagement. Many businesses fail not because they lack profitability, but because they run out of cash to operate. Another hidden reef is overreliance on key personnel. What happens if your top salesperson or your lead engineer decides to leave? Finally, many small and medium businesses lose sight of their core customers in a bid to chase growth. These hidden threats can cripple your business if left unchecked. They require a different kind of attention, a willingness to look beyond the surface and address the underlying vulnerabilities. Section 6. Setting your priorities straight. So how do you navigate these treacherous waters? It starts with identifying your top 3 priorities, not just the obvious ones, but the hidden ones as well. Are your cash flow projections accurate and realistic? Do you have a succession plan in place for key roles? Are you staying connected with your core customers and their evolving needs? Once you've identified your top priorities, you can start developing long-term solutions. This might involve streamlining your operations, building a strong company culture, or creating a customer loyalty program. Section 7. The long view. Charting a course for success. Remember, running a successful small and medium business is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires focus, discipline, and a commitment to long-term thinking. Don't get sidetracked by quick fixes or distracted by every new trend. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation for your business, one that can weather any storm. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your top 3 priorities for your business? Share them in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about how we can overcome these challenges together. Remember, in the world of business, we're all in the same boat.